Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore tax compliance in TaxJar for Shopify step by step clearly. To restore tax compliance in TaxJar for Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Locate and click on the TaxJar app within your list of installed apps. Once inside the TaxJar app, look for the Settings or Configuration option. Review your current tax settings and configurations displayed on the page. Identify any discrepancies in your tax rates or regions. If necessary, adjust your tax rates to match your specific business needs. Next, go to your TaxJar account and log in. Access the Sales Tax section from the main dashboard. Check for any alerts or notifications regarding your tax compliance status. If there are issues, click on the provided links for guidance on resolving them. Verify that your Nexus settings accurately reflect your physical and economic presence in various states. Update any outdated information related to Nexus if required. After confirming your settings, generate a sales tax report to review your past transactions. Ensure that all collected sales tax is reported correctly. If you discover errors in past reporting, follow the steps provided to amend your tax filings. Once all adjustments are made, return to Shopify's TaxJar integration settings. Reconnect your Shopify store with TaxJar if necessary. Save all changes before exiting the app. Finally, take some time to monitor your tax compliance regularly to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.